your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Our home view getting a little cloudy for us here this evening. It has been a quiet day for us. Cool temperatures again this morning. We had plenty of sunshine, but a few clouds are starting to roll in as the cold front starts to drop into the scene for us heading into tonight through tomorrow. Currently, temperatures are nice and warm. A couple spots still floating around 80, like Somerset at 82, Danville and Richmond at 79. We have 76 in Lexington. We tapped into that cloud cover just a little bit quicker. It all comes after what was another record-setting morning. 48 has broken the previous record on this date from 1986, which was at 50. This is super impressive because that is now back-to-back 40s. First time we've ever done that in August, let alone in a row, which is crazy impressive. Record lows are now 3 in a row for us, and this is only the 20th time that we've made it into the 40s in August. Hopefully we don't have to deal with that again, but we'll see how things go for us as we get into next year. This year, we're going to keep going with some slightly warmer temperatures now. I think we're done with the cool stretch and starting to work back into a little bit more seasonable weather here. Cloud cover keeps half of us in the mid-50s overnight, but the low 50s expected for southeastern Kentucky. A few might drop into those upper 40s, but as we go through the next couple of days, we are going to be seeing consistent temperatures back at 80 plus for highs, lows in the 50s. There's two spots on here through your Labor Day weekend, one tomorrow and then one again on Labor Day itself, where a slight chance for maybe a couple of showers is going to pop up. Even better chances to show up for us as we get into next week. But right now you can see near Moorhead and between there and Huntington, we've got a couple spotty showers and a few more in Clark County that have just popped up. Very light, likely maybe a few sprinkles at best, but otherwise it's just the cloud cover rolling in as our cold front drops southward. Most of that is extending off of that cold front, and while that's still hanging around and moving our direction, we're likely to see a few more little instances of maybe a spotty shower or two as we head into tomorrow. Watch tonight. It does have the opportunity for maybe one or two overnight into early Friday, and then we go through Friday partly to mostly cloudy at times, and as that front comes down, here's some of those spotty showers trying to develop along it again for the early to mid to late afternoon. The cold front washes away for us into Saturday, and we open things up back to the sunshine for us as we get into our weekend. Things look good on Saturday and Sunday. Then again, though, rain chances do develop for us into next week, which it could be very helpful because abnormally dry conditions are now expanding across most of Kentucky. Moderate drought in a few areas in this lighter brown color, so we're going to be needing that rain. Things are getting crisp. Better chances for the next big things start to show up, and we're going to be watching them closely through the first half of next week. Here's that opportunity for Labor Day showers, mainly across southern Kentucky until we get into the overnight. And then Tuesday, scattered activity. Wednesday, more scattered activity. And if this trend continues, we could be looking at a good soaking, which would help us get away from those drier conditions and hopefully start to bring some stuff back that's really turned brown. Those chances, of course, pick up next week. Until then, enjoy the quieter weather.